Today we are doing another unboxing, and it's a vacuum cleaner. It is a handheld vacuum cleaner, ideal for your car. So if you've got a car, this could be the baby for you. Yes, it is only a vacuum cleaner, but it's quite cheap actually. It's $29.99 on Amazon when I bought it anyway. So it might have gone up by now, I don't know. It might have gone down, who knows. Let's have a look and see what you get. So there it is. That is it. It says for dry and wet use, wireless vacuum, or it says wireless vehicle vacuum cleaner. That's what it says. High power for dry and wet use. HEPA filter. HEPA? No idea what that means. This is the R6053. And yeah, it's a vacuum cleaner. As things are at the moment, I'm not getting my car cleaned. So I thought I'm going to have to start doing it myself. Yeah. I always took my car every couple of months to have it cleaned. But I haven't been doing that for the last few months. It is absolutely filthy. So we are going to give it a bit of a clean up. Or I am anyway. Oh, so it comes with a nice little bag to put it all in. Which is with a handle as well. Which is very good. Yeah, I like that. Very nice. Get that out of the way. The vacuum cleaner itself, let's get her out. It claims to last up to 30 minutes of charge. So I'm expecting it to be about 20 minutes. I think that'd be roughly a fair assessment. They say half an hour, but I'm going to say 20 minutes. But we will see. It might last half an hour, it might not. Let's have a look. I'm going to read the instructions later. Yes. So it's a USB charger. So you plug it into a USB adapter, mains adapter, something like your phone or something like that. Let's have a quick look to see how long the lead is. So it's probably about 1 metre long, I'd say. I'll have a measure up and let you know in the comments. Or I'll let you know in the video. So attachments, not sure what that is. It looks a bit weird. Well, I suppose it goes in there, I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. Don't go in there like that, does it? I bet it goes on the end of the pipe. Of course. So that will go in there like that, somehow. That will go in there, that's it, like that. So there you go, that's for that. Then you've got your brush. There you go. And then you've got this, which is really weird. You just squash it up like that, I suppose you do. Oh yeah, I see. I get it. Okay. And that would just squash inside down. And then what? I've no idea. So on off button. Let's get that. So what's this do? Looks like a forward and a backwards button. On. Oh, off. Okay, what's that do? Release. Right, easy enough. Yeah. Okay, works quite easy. Material, it feels like, I'm trying to think what that material is. It's soft, but like a rubbery sort of feel. Yeah, quite nice. It's quite light actually. Lighter than I expected it to be. And it's got quite a bit of power to it as well. Not quite enough power for it to lift up off my hand, but enough power. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it a bit of a test. Have a little clean up and see what it works like. Hopefully it'll work really well. So like I said, it cost me around about £30 or just under. And yeah. I quite like the design actually, it looks quite nice. So with that, let's do a bit of cleaning, shall we? I am impressed with this little vacuum cleaner. It's easy to use, only has an on-off speed and has quite a bit of suction to it as well, which I was quite impressed with it. It is extremely light, and I mean it's extremely light, very light, and it feels quite sturdy. It doesn't feel as though you're going to drop it and it's going to smash to pieces. Obviously if you drop it on a concrete floor it might break, but on a carpet I think it would be quite safe. Don't drop it, I'm not telling you to drop it, I'm just saying I think it would be quite safe. Cleaning wise, it's easy to clean. Just press that button, open that up, that's your filter. You can just bash that off or wash it out, whatever you want to do. Same with this bit here, I've cleaned it out already, not completely, I haven't washed it through yet, but I gave it a good cleaning earlier and I got quite a bit of dirt out of it. Considering it was my second going over, when I was cleaning it the other day, I thought, no, I'll give it a second go on my driver's side, because my driver's side was quite dirty, so I thought I'll give it a second going over with the vacuum cleaner. And I'm glad I did, because I got even more dirt on it. So easy to shut back up again, like you can see. And I was impressed, like I said, how much dirt I was actually picking up, considering I'd done it once and then I'd done it again. This, I thought, well, I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this, but it's been very handy. It works extremely well. These were now joined together and I thought, well, what's that for? And obviously you just pull it apart, like so. You attach it to this end, like so, and this end, like so, there. And then this little long end goes in here for any attachment. So if you want to place your attachments on, plug them in like that, like so. Do a bit of hoovering, and if you want to use a brush, like so. Like I said, I didn't think I'd be using this, I just thought I'd be going like that, but I started using it because I needed to get behind the foot pedals, and yeah, very helpful for getting behind the foot pedals. And if there's dirt that's a bit sticky, you can just brush it off, loosen it up a bit with that. So yeah, I was quite impressed with that little extension, and like I said, I have been using that and it's definitely paying off. Like I said, I've had it for a few weeks. What I normally do, once I've used it, I will go and stick it on charge. It starts off with a red light, goes to green when it's fully charged. Once it's fully charged and I'm not going to be using it, I stick it back in its bag. Look, baby, here. It fits in there quite nicely with all the attachments, so that I don't lose all the bits. So they'll just go in my little bag, just zip her up, and job done. I'll put that away somewhere safe so I don't lose it. Yeah. So I am well impressed. For the amount of money I paid, I think it was about just under £30 from Amazon, and yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm well impressed with it. For such a size, it's got a nice bit of suction to it. It's not the most powerful suction in the world, but it's got a nice bit of suction. It seems to pick up all the dirt, which is what you want, and easy to use, and extremely light. And I mean extremely light. So with that, thank you very much for watching my video.